Today's video is short and to the point. You can't hold 5D energy with a 3D operating system. Now, if your mind is still built on fear, control, or scarcity, you'll keep defaulting back to the old timeline no matter how much self-work you do. Think of your mind like a phone running outdated software. You can install all of the extra apps you want, but if the operating system is ancient, it crashes. That operating system is every belief you inherited from parents, culture, religion, programs like play small to stay safe or work harder to be worthy. These are all survival codes, and the 5D energy fries them. So what I want you to do is I want you to grab your journal or a piece of paper and write the top 3 beliefs that run your daily choices. There'll be a money belief, there'll be a relationship belief, and there'll be a self-worth belief. More than likely, you may have something else. Now, circle the one that feels most like a choke chain around your neck. We need to rewrite from power, not from wishful thinking. So all of the affirmations and positive thoughts we put out there, a bit like putting glitter on a cracked wall. We need to rip out the rotted studs first. All right, so what we need to do is first you need to name the old belief. So that might be, I have to struggle to succeed. And we need to identify the payoff, all right, how it pretends to keep you safe. In other words, what do you get out of keeping it? All right, now the third step is we need to replace it with a 5D truth that demands action, all right, not just thinking about it, what's something you can do. I create with ease. Today I will action and then put what it is. All right, so this is a very simple tool to give you motion, to get you going. Micro risks equal that quantum leap. So taking that action, your nervous system trusts action. Not all the vision boards and not all of the things that we have without doing anything. Every small risk is a code rewrite. So every time you take that action, you are pushing your nervous system to understand that it's safe. So here's today's challenge. Pick one decision today that scares you because it breaks the old rule. An example might be raise your rates, say no without justifying, or speak a truth you have been holding back. Now I want you to feel the discomfort. That's the old you, that's the code dying. It's you pressing against it and stepping through it. All right, now your 5D already exists. It's there. It's on a separate timeline. So what I want you to do is I want you to picture them like a mentor sending messages through your intuition. Now close your eyes and I want you to ask, what's one move you're waiting for me to make? And then write it down before your mind talks you out of it. All right, so here is your daily ritual for the upgrade. 5 minutes, morning or night. One old belief I spotted today. One action I took from my 5D truth. And then I want you to do it for 30 days. And you've got a whole new operating system being put into action. Now, mindset expansion isn't about thinking positive, guys. It's about deleting the code that keeps you looping in survival. It's about taking action. So when you notice yourself hesitating, remind yourself, this is just the old program running. I choose the upgrade. In the next video, I'm going to go deeper into identity recoding. Taking these new beliefs and actually becoming the 5D version of you in real time. How you speak, move, plan, and lead. That's where the internal upgrades turn into a new external reality. Mindset expansion is the bridge between who you were and who you're becoming. Catch the old code, take those micro risks, and get ready to embody the future self in our next session. I'll see you then.